How's it going, guys? It's been a minute since I posted a video, but I actually decided not to bag the Toyota Corolla. I bought a new project. I've had one of these before, but I decided to buy another one. So I'm going to present you to the next project. It's a 1IS, is300. This is an 01. So it does need some work, but it's all the body work's been done. I just got a few maintenance I got to do to the car, but other than that, it runs pretty mint. I do have to change the water pump and redo the timing. The previous owner did the water pump, but they didn't change the cam seals, the front main seal. So I'm gonna redo all that and make it brand new, because as you can see, it was leaking right here, so that's the culprit, and it is leaking oil. So I'm gonna replace all that and get it done. But other than that, the only thing I did to the car was the window tint, but that's about it. Nothing special, but this is it. And I'm probably gonna put you on a time lapse, because right now I'm going to be installing the same kit that I had in the Corolla into the is300. So just give me a minute. Well, my idea was, yeah, I'm gonna keep the car, by the way. I was gonna mount it up here, but the problem with this is it's a whole bunch of shit. Like, to do that, bro, look, I gotta take that whole rear deck. I kind of don't want to do that. So I thought of a better idea. I'm gonna mount it here. Get some 2x4, obviously paint it black, that way you don't see it. And mount the tank here. I mean, I'll have enough room. I'll have plenty of room to put stuff in the trunk. If I put it here, it's gonna be too low. So I'm just gonna mount it right here, like my other Lexus. All right, guys. I just finished sort of putting back the compressor, the tank, and everything back there. The management is not connected yet, but I ran all the the power lines and then the accessory up to the front. But this is what we're looking at, and the seats do not fold back. It doesn't have a metal plate back there, so I can't do nothing about that. But this is basically how I'm gonna have my setup. That way I'm able to move this still, but I can still retain my spare. But this is it. I ran the power and accessory through here, and then the power cable, the cable for the controller up there. And the controller is here, right where I need it. Alright, guys, this is a little update on the build on the Lexus is300. I'm doing the whole timing chain, the timing belt. I'll be changing the water pump. I already put the crank at top dead center, and then the cams are realigned, but I will be rechecking all that once the belt's put on and everything. But right now I'm probably just gonna change the water pump, and after that everything should probably be back together. All right, guys, this is the next day. This is all gonna be in one video, but this is just a little update on the car. I finished mostly the timing. Still waiting for the VVTi seal to come in. I got the PVC little inlet that goes on the valve cover, because I broke that one from taking the valve covers off. So I already have that, and I'm just waiting for the new sprocket to come in. Still sitting in the same spot, but I'm gonna show you guys right now. Like, if you can see here, I broke it off. Now, I bought these off of Amazon. The little grommet here that goes in the valve cover. And then I bought the PVC pipe, which I'm gonna show you in just a minute. So this is the pipe. So it should go right in there. I'll have to try and figure out how to put it on. There's that. I have the Gates timing belt and the accessory belt. I already put on the tensioner and all that, but it's still a work in progress. Here, I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm not gonna go too much in depth, but I already put the first on top dead, the bottom crank's on top dead center. I already aligned the first line on the exhaust side of the cam. I'm just waiting for the seal to come in so I can install that. I did all the water pump, tensioner, and I just cleaned it up. It was just a mess. It was just leaking oil all over the place, and I just wanted to get this done right. But this is just a little update on the build. And then the sprocket here, it's missing a tooth. So if you can see right there, it's missing a tooth. So I had to order a brand new one. But this is just a little update that I'm doing.